Hey guys, I just got my, what is it? It's a brand new Best Tug.
Yes, check it out.
Oh yeah, I'm hauling butt. Oh boy, oh yeah, oh man. Woohoo, woo, yeah. Oh, I'm moving it over here because this is a nice, oh, move that sofa with it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got a light, nice. Okay, I just got this brand new Best Tug for my Super Cub and any other airplane that I want to tow around with it. It's time to go into hardware mode and make it mine. I'm going to customize the heck out of this thing. I'm Cory Robin. Ride along with me and the Flying Cowboys as we take you flying into the backcountry where there's no runway required. Hey, we just finished pimping my ride. Well, modding the tug. There needs to be a good term for that. When you customize your best tug. How many other tugs are you going to customize? So what we've done is we took the shell off and get this. Mood lighting, baby. I put orange lighting underneath the tug in the front and in the back that sync up with the headlight of the tug. And on my Carbon Cub, we have these awesome stripes that are jagged that one of my graphic designers, Paris, did up for me. This is the exact graphic that's on the side of my Cub, on the right-hand side. And on the Carbon Cub, it's got a black stripe, but since the body of the tug is black, we did a silver stripe to contrast. Check this out. This is the ghost skull that Paris designed for me, based loosely off of a comic book character. Which one is it? I'll let you guess. And then on the left side here, the exact same graphic that's on the Carbon Cub. And then the final touch, just so people knows whose best tug this is. This is awesome. Like start up with the zoom on the Best Tugs logo and see if we can get a lot of the smoke like in front of the light. There we go. Like spread it around. Awesome. Does it look cool with the lighting?
It really does.
All right, are you zoomed into the Best Tug? And then pan up to me. All right, we just finished customizing the Best Tug. I am super excited to get this thing out to the airport and pull some airplanes. We've contacted the owners of Best Tugs, and they've agreed to allow us to do a factory tour of Best Tugs. And so we're gonna go out there and do a factory tour of Best Tugs. That's a lot of smoke, man. Okay, we'll do it again.